Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got a 2013 Ford Fusion, and on this Ford Fusion we have the oil, where you would check the oil, and where you add oil if you need to add oil. So this is the oil dipstick that goes all the way down to the bottom through into the oil pan. So you're going to be able to check it on a level surface, and when the engine is not running, you're going to pull this up, you're going to remove it out, wipe it clean, reinsert, and then pull it back up. And then you're going to check the level, and we've got two dots here with some hash marks in between it. We just want to make sure it's in between those two dots and in the hash mark. And this is right in the middle of those hash marks. So we're looking pretty good on our oil. So our oil is at a good rate. If it was below that, we definitely want to add more. Really, if it's like right on the dot, it's generally a quart to fill it up. But you probably should go by a half, then check it, give it a minute, then check it again, and then make sure. Because you don't want to overfill your oil. If you do, it can cause issues with your catalytic converter. So if you needed to add engine oil, you've got a cap right here. Just going to turn it to a quarter to the left or counterclockwise. Pull it up, put your oil in right here. Use a funnel if needed, and then put the cap back on and tighten it up. Make sure we're good and tight. And that's how you check and add oil to your 2013 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.